Hello everyone, 10BestOnes here with another video, and today we are going to list the top 5 best drones in the market in 2017. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to choose the drones that offer the most for their price. If you want to find out the price and more information about these drones, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Syma X5C. Syma is one of the best manufacturers in the market for producing drones, and they have proven themselves with this model. If you're looking for a reliable, stable and quality drone with a really affordable price, then Syma X5C is the one for you. This model comes with a 6-axis gyroscope which allows strong balance while flying with precise hovering. For the beginners, there is a 360-degree inversion control, allowing continuous roll in flight without dropping the control. The spread spectrum control allows a greater flight distance with a high level of durability, responsiveness accompanied with less interference than a simple radio control. The HD camera is also there, which is fantastic for taking pictures and recording videos from the air, and if you want to fly during the night, you don't have to worry because the drone comes with green and orange lights that keep you oriented during the night. The build quality is pretty solid. Even though it is made of hard plastic, it is very durable and you don't have to worry if you hit it a few times in a tree or some other high place. So, for this price you get a pretty solid drone that will not suffer any considerable damage from light hits. The battery life is expected to last for 10 minutes or longer with a stock battery if used correctly. Moreover, the battery takes about 100 minutes to charge and you can see when it is fully charged because of the notification that indicates the battery is fully charged. It has a good design with a small LCD screen that shows the battery level, trim levels and more. Also, it has a range of about 50 meters, so this is a very good range considering the price. The flight performance is very good, and with the controller you're expected to have a very good maneuverability and also you can make decent bank turns. Overall, this is a pretty well made drone with highest quality that comes at a really affordable price. Next up, at number 4 we have the Yuneec Typhoon H. Yuneec is well known for making wonderful aerial photography drones with accessible prices and equipped with autonomous and safety-minded features that make it easy for people no matter of their skills. The drone is finished in black and has removable landing gear, twist and low propellers and a 3-axis gimbal for camera stabilization. The 6 arms are constructed from thin carbon fiber and are folded down for storage from the moment you want to take it out from the box. It also features a built-in obstacle avoidance tech which uses sonar, allowing you to avoid obstacles in low light or complete darkness. You're also given a full suite of autonomous flight modes such as the basic follow, angle or smart mode and the more advanced cable cam and orbit mode, allowing you full control over the drone's flight and 100% focus on controlling your drone. The controller is very good. It includes a built-in 7-inch touchscreen for displaying telemetry data, streaming live video from the drone's camera and accessing many more features and flight modes. The camera is amazing. It is 12 megapixels and you can record at 1080p, 1440p or 4K while matching the 16:9 ratio used by televisions at 30 fps. It is also mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, giving you an opportunity of 360-degree pans, and the results are wonderful and realistic visualizations. Moreover, the interface is very user-friendly and you can double tap on the video feed to make it full screen. The battery is expected to last up to 25 minutes of flight time, and a great thing is that the drone automatically flies back to its home position for emergency landing if the battery runs out. For a full charge it takes 2 hours, but this is reasonable since it needs a lot of power to capture quality photos and videos. All those things combined are giving you wonderful and amazing results. It has a very wide flying range, and in a more crowded suburban setting, this aircraft is limited to a shorter amount. So, you can be confident at flying the drone even in areas where structures are disrupting the communications. Overall, this drone is pretty solid. It has an amazing camera, wide flying range, great control and a sleek design, so that makes it deserve its position in this video. Moving on, at number 3 we have the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. DJI's Phantoms are often called the iPhones of drones, so you can expect nothing but quality, beautiful design and an amazing performance. So, consider this model as your next purchase. The design is beautiful. It retains the same hull shape as its predecessor but with many new features. It has 4 propellers, wide body, fixed legs and a camera attached to the gimbal. The screen is a real beauty. It looks like a small tablet and works very well while being impressively responsive because it boots up for usage in only 24 seconds. You can tap anywhere on screen for a smooth adjustable direction of flight while automatically avoiding any upcoming obstacles. The most exciting thing about this drone is the new camera system. The new 1-inch 20 megapixel sensor produces wonderful image quality, greater dynamic range and greater response to low light compared to the previous models. You can shoot 4K videos at up to 60 fps, and also it includes an aperture control and mechanical shutter which eliminates the rolling shutter effect, making it more customizable than ever. It performs really good because it is very agile, quick, and it features many autonomous flight modes such as point of interest mode, waypoints mode for repeated flights, follow me mode for following your movements, and the more advanced such as the tear and follow, tripod mode, and many active track abilities. Moreover, there is the 360 mode that will actively orbit around any subject you choose regardless of the subject's movement, and it also has the return to home mobility with which it can dynamically avoid any obstacles that appear on its way home. The range is surely another good thing about this drone, because it features the new OcuSync video transmitting technology which stretches the drone's maximum range and provides HD video feed from up to 4.3 miles away. The battery is very durable and lasts for up to 30 minutes of flight time, and the system will give you alerts when it reaches the minimum amount required for a safe takeoff. If you place it in a longer term storage, the batteries will discharge power for keeping good health, so aging won't affect that much on the performance. Overall, this drone is very durable and one of the best ever flown, and that makes it more than enough to be in your shortlist. Next up, at number 2 we have the unique Q500. This drone is one of the safest, most durable drones in the market, and it is a killer at producing beautiful pictures and videos. It is made of plastic with great looking angular geometry and is designed with portability in mind. This drone is dominated by its 4 rotors with a 4K gimbal mounted camera underneath and the 2 helicopter style skids completed with soft foam pads ensuring comfortable landing. Also, there are 5 lights, one on the underside of each rotor and the 5th light on the rear, which makes it noticeable even when it is in distance. The controller features a 4.5-inch built-in screen for video streaming and telemetry data, which is very user-friendly and produces perfect visualization. You also don't have to purchase any add-ons for adjusting your camera angle, because it is controlled by the dial on the right side of the controller. The camera has a 130-degree field of view and it is 12 megapixels for capturing photos or recording videos in 1080p Full HD in different FPS modes. The latter is there to slow down the video without sacrificing the image quality, so you can capture your movements with these accompanied by beautiful visual representation. It also has tiny LED lights on the front, and this doesn't hurt the recording quality in any way. Some cheaper drones have this problem, but the Q500 doesn't. The performance is amazing. It features plenty of autonomous modes such as follow me mode for automatical movement as you move, the watch me mode for orbiting around you, the turtle mode which gives sharp and beautiful videos, and also the rabbit mode for having moments full of adrenaline while being stable in windy conditions. That's not all. It is very safe to use because Unique has implemented several safety features on this model, so it won't fly near commercial airports and it is limited to an altitude of 400 feet. The batteries are giving you 25 minutes of flight time. They are easy to swap and very durable. With the company's charger, they can be recharged in between 3 and 5 hours. Overall, this drone offers a lot of features for the money. You can do everything you want by producing beautiful and sharp looking content. It is very easy to use, it's lightweight, and it features a very high quality camera which can be removed from the drone with its gimbaling mechanism and can be mounted on a handheld device that connects to any smartphone. It is very durable and it can serve you in any weather condition. That's why I had to place this drone on the number 2 spot on this list. And at number 1, of course, we have the DJI Mavic Pro. The Mavic Pro is the smallest camera-equipped drone in DJI's lineup and their more advanced offering in the consumer class, and by being extremely easy to fly, it produces amazing aerial shots. It features 4 wings that fold underneath and to its sides, while the rotors can be folded in half, which allows you to keep the rotors on at all times instead of having to attach and remove them for transport. The controller's design is amazing. It's a hybrid controller that can be adjusted. It looks small, but when you flip out the antennas and pop on your smartphone, it looks full grown with loads of telemetry data with fantastic range. On the front of the drone, you can see a 3-axis gimbal with a 12 megapixel 4K camera. The camera can record 4K video at 30 fps or 1080p at up to 96 fps and can be also rotated 90 degrees for portrait. When it comes to the performance, this beautiful gem features many autonomous flight modes, self-landing capabilities and dual GPS radios for great and precise orientation. If you are an adventurous person, you can use a tap fly feature, which with a single tap moves your drone to your preferred destination or even make it circle around any object. If you want to be followed through your path, just use active track, and if you want to see an incredible 40 mph speed, just turn on the sports mode. There are also the tear and follow and gesture modes you can take advantage of. The tear and follow mode uses its downward vision system for maintaining a certain distance from the ground, which is incredible for filming over a terrain that varies in elevation. Well, the gesture mode allows you to snap a selfie by doing literally nothing. You can just stand in front of the camera and wave. Insane, right? When fully charged, this drone's battery allows a flight time of 27 minutes, and if it gets low, it will automatically fly home because of the cleverness of the onboard camera, landing exactly from where it took off from. It is also quick for recharging. You have to wait only an hour before you can start using it and capture your preferred shots with really high quality. Overall, DJI has outdone itself with this remarkably created drone, which brings the best attributes and features that you can use by massively boosting the portability. That's why don't think twice and enjoy the performances produced from this little thing. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. You can find links to all these drones down in the description and the comment section below, so if you want to find out the price and more information about them, go check out the links there. Also, if you have any questions related to these drones, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.